Ladies and gentlemen, I am talking about someone who is a district champion in evaluation and table topics. He is a district finalist in multiple contests. He is also someone who has been the division director, which was then known as the division governor. He has been a charter member of Kolkata Toastmasters Club and is also the person who has the ability to motivate so many individuals. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for distinguished Toastmaster Naveen Misra.
शमा ने रोशन कर महफिल में समा बना दिया, फिर इस्तकबाल कर परवाने को बुला लिया। दीदार जश्न का लुत्फ उठा लीजिएगा कि आज लफ्जों से परवाने ने शमा को जला दिया। Ladies and gentlemen, good evening to Toastmasters and would-be Toastmasters. I am no more a Toastmaster, but for my heart, I will die a Toastmaster. It's been a journey of about 15 years in which I have been there, tried to do that and be successful at whatever I've attempted to do. And I have witnesses who will corroborate that. They're nodding. And one lady is not nodding. There are two things that any Toastmaster thrives on. First, applause. So make it loud every time you feel good or bad about it. So somebody has got the courage to come up here, whether it's Naveen or you, somebody who's come here for the first time, no problem. But make the applause resounding, make it really large, because we all want to hear applause in life, we rarely get it. Workplace, family, friends, last but not the least, love if you are ever in it. And forget about everything else, marriage somebody spoke about. I'll tell you how communication helped me in marriage. So applause is of paramount importance. And second, you smile in Toastmasters. It's a rarity in life today. To smile from your heart, express it on your face, and feel excited about it. Come every Friday. This family assures you of 2.5 hours, because we bond even after the meeting, of great applause and a smiling brotherhood. That is Toastmasters. Yes. What is it beyond that? So I'll have to take you back in my journey. I have a repertoire of experience which takes me to Accor Hotels, ICICI, Shoppers Stop, a brand new word. So the one which started the revolution in Elgin Road was set up by me. GKB Opticals and a few other startups here and there. In the journey of this entire career, one thing which stood out was the service industry. And in the service industry, you would appreciate, most of you are CS? Aspiring?
Yeah.
Right? Somebody is a very hallowed profession, Tiwari and Bologna teacher. So we are all part of the service network, or we are aspiring to be there. You service your clients as CS? Right? Gentlemen, make it loud. I thrive on applause and responses. You guys want to be there, right?
Yes.
Right, you want to be there. So it's going to be a service network around you. And I was there for 18 years of my life servicing other people. And if you service other people, you communicate with the other people. You ask questions as a CA, right? I am not a qualified CA. But I presume if you are doing articleship, you want to learn, you ask questions. If you are a CA auditing books, you got your interaction with the client, finding out more about the books. So you interact, right? It's a service industry, and in service industry, what is of paramount importance? Is communication. And that is what you learn through Toastmasters. I am not one of those people who propagates Toastmasters as being a very hallowed portal. I dare to say that this is not the Harvard school. There's a book which says what they do not teach at Harvard. Learn what they do not teach in Toastmasters. Think about that and become a better Toastmaster. Let me bring you a simile. You guys do articleship? The book teaches you one thing, right? When you reach the client's office, you realize there is a lot of difference from what the book was actually teaching you. Agree?
Yes.
Agree?
Yes.
As a teacher, you have a set pattern. I have the liberty of speaking in all three languages because you are not doing prepared speeches. So, आपने जो अपने बच्चों ने पढ़ा, कौन क्लास के पढ़ा? 11, 12. My God, they are matured lot now. They are a very different breed altogether. I have one at home, so I know how the reactions are. Oh yeah, he can come back to you with a Google network and say he wants to buy a cycle. I'm digressing. He wants to buy a cycle. So I say, okay, fair enough, buy a cycle. So he comes back to you with a cycle which is worth 36,000 rupees. When you ever rode a cycle in Kolkata?
Yeah.
How much was the cycle worth when you bought it from Pendix Street?
Definitely not 36.
Correct! My God! 36,000 rupees. I thought they sold Yamaha RX100 when I was younger, 36,000 rupees. So you know what you are dealing with. I am saying you must have done a B.Ed, right? Or qualified in some way to become a teacher. আপনার কি ওই সেট প্যাটার্নে বুঝেছিল যে 11 12 এর বাচ্চাগুলো ঠিক এরকম হবে আগে থেকে প্রিপেয়ার থাকো মা তুমি ওখানে যখন যাবে তুমি দেখবে একটা মহাভারতের যুদ্ধ হতে চলেছে you knew anything about that no and then you arrived on the scene and you looked at when I'm giving you the liberty you looked at this class 11 kid he doesn't look older right you look at his apparatus it's like DTM right so you looked at him and then he fired some questions to you ভেতর থেকে কি রকম মনে হয় পালপিটেশন হয় এরপর কি জিজ্ঞেস করবে Agree? Similar is the situation with a lot of people जो आप आर्टिफिशियल करने जाते हैं आपको पता चलता है उन किताबों में से क्या इतिहास निकल के आ रहा है रणजीत अग्रवाल है अभी
Yes.
है
Vice President.
है ना सर तो रणजीत जी को मेरा दो सलाम बोलिएगा इसी मंच पे उन्होंने अपनी आवा बढ़ाई है टोस्ट मास्टर्स की और हम लोग कभी गए थे आपके मंच पे वहां जाके हमने भी शोभा बढ़ाई थी तो खैर वो वहां पे ये चीजें नहीं बताते आपको जो उनकी किताबों में मिलती है सच बोल रहा हूं या खोल के बोलूं समझ में आ रहा है so that is what Toastmasters is about you don't come here to learn A B C D you guys know it all how many of you feel that you can communicate no I'm sad turn around turn around Tiwari people are not even putting up their hands they are putting up their hands because they are afraid of Abhishek you feel like it make it louder for them so ladies and gentlemen what happens is that you know that I can speak and the first feeling that you look at me and say what wrong is बात तो हम नहीं कर सकते আমি কথা বলতে পারি কি বিশেষ বছর বোঝাচ্ছে এখানে এসে আমাদের কি ড্রামা করছে what the hell can you do जो मैं नहीं कर सकता भाई ऐसा क्या है जो वो कर सकता और मैं नहीं कर सकता it's nothing about comparison ladies and gentlemen please understand I am not doubting your ability to communicate I am only suggesting how you can communicate better. They are two different things. समझ रहे हैं आप? यहाँ पर भी समझ नहीं पाएंगे तो आप आएंगे। मेरे को 15 साल लग गया भाई समझने में कि यहाँ होता क्या है। तो आप बैठिए आने वाली कीजिए रिलैक्स कीजिए फिर अभिषेक जी संभालिए। तो मैं ये समझाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ it's very very important that we are not private tutors. None of you sitting here are private tutors. If anybody of them is guiding you and saying there's going to be a private tutorial today from 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock or 8:30 and after that there will be an exam and once you give the exam we'll give you a report card. Don't come back to KTM. I'm proud about KTM. आपने सुना? क्षमा बता रही थी परवाने के बारे में फाउंडर मेंबर चार्टर मेंबर कुछ हेलो नहीं सीन नहीं है कहीं धुन दिख रही होगी आप नहीं सब चार्टर मेंबर टुगेदर वी मेक द बस ट्रैवल माय ओनली कंटेंशन इज बाइट व्हाट यू वांट swallow the way you want don't go by what they got to say when I mean they I can point out today because I'm not a Toastmaster anymore, but I meant to be. There is no set pattern of X, Y, Z telling you that ये format है, ये entrance exam नहीं, ये आपके स्वयं की journey है. This is your journey to excellence, and you will have to plan it better. I have no clue about pathways because when I became a DTM, there was no pathways. But that doesn't make me a lesser mortal. That doesn't in any which way make me a lesser mortal than a person who's completed DTM
3 times.
3 times. He's my best friend and my worst enemy. And he will explain to you later. But the fact is that I just want you, and this is genuine, I want all of you to be good in the ability to communicate. Then, Kolkata Toastmasters Club would have achieved its objective. That's all that I am hinting at. Question answers will be taken, and we will answer a lot of your specific questions. But I am only trying to set up a path which says pathways or no pathways. You chart your path. You get your goals clarified. You focus on what you want out of Toastmasters. And Toastmasters will provide you exactly what they want in your format. That is the beauty of Toastmasters. Don't come here because you're coming to lesson board. Don't come here because this is a private tutorial session. Don't come here because you think कि पैसे लगाए हैं कुछ तो रिटर्न मिल जाए. Come here because मोहब्बत की है तो निभानी तो पड़ेगी. आपको समझ में आया? ये पीछे आपकी दीवार है, मैं दीवार को नहीं देखना, मैं आपको. ये भी एक आर्ट है टोस्टमास्टर्स का, सर के ऊपर देखना तो नहीं, मैं पीछे देखना. और स्पेसिफिकली आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ, पीछे जितने लोग बैठे हैं आधा ही हाथ उठा देना. प्यार कोई करता है इसमें? मैं आज भी करता हूँ किसी से, खैर वो अलग बात है. लेकिन आप किसी से मोहब्बत करते हैं? पीछे बैठे हुए लोग, भाई आप पीछे नहीं बैठे, आप बहुत आगे बैठे. आप आगे आ चुके हो उस पंक्ति से. मैं पीछे वालों से पूछ रहा हूँ, वो सब शर्मा रहे. आप करते हैं? चलिए सर, जेन्युइनली सलाम हो आपको. आप अभिषेक जी से डरते नहीं. एक चीज आप बताइए कि सामने जितना भी वो टेंट्रम कर ले, लड़की से ही करते हैं ना? नहीं, आजकल पूछ लेना पड़ता है. ठीक है, वैसे आपको पता है हिंदी सिनेमा भी ऐसे आ चुके हैं, हम लोग देखते रहे. सो इट्स ओके, वी आर ओपन टू एवरीथिंग इन टोस्टमास्टर्स आल्सो. आई एम नॉट क्रॉसिंग द बॉर्डर ऑफ सेक्स, रिलीजन. दिस इज नॉट पॉलिटिकल रीजन. सी, बड़े भाई हैं, उम्र में नहीं, लेकिन 3 बार DTM, तो सब चीज का परमिशन ले लेना पड़ता. तो आई एम सेइंग दैट सामने वाली जब टेंट्रम्स थ्रो करती तो क्या करते हैं? सहन करते हैं. सही वर्ड बोला हूं. एक बार उनके लिए ताली बजाओ. मेरे भाई, ये जो लोग ताली बजा रहे हैं, उनके दिल में यही एस्पिरेशन है कि कभी तो कोई मिल जाए सहन करने वाला. आप लकी हो, तो डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. वो ताली बजाते रहे. ठीक है, मैं ये पूछ रहा था कि जिसका आप टेंशन सहन करते हैं, वो क्यों करते हैं? क्योंकि दिल से आप उनके लिए शिद्दत से मोहब्बत करते हैं. चाहे अभी करते हैं, बाद में ना करें. लेकिन वही चीज टोस्टमास्टर्स के लिए. आप यहाँ आते हैं, सुनते हैं, एस्पिरेशंस होते हैं, इंस्पिरेशंस होते हैं, पर्सपिरेशन होता है, and then you are told deliver a speech. Now that is where you have to force yourself in saying I will approach. I will take on the cudgel of facing her. Looking at her tantrums, evaluate her. बोल सकता है मैं, कोई बात नहीं. मैं फिर आऊंगा, मैं फिर कुछ नया गिफ्ट लाऊंगा, वाचालता, वोकेलिटी का, और मैं फिर से उसे मनाऊंगा. You agree to that? We all agree to that? कोशिश करने वालों की चलिए इतना तो पता है. शादी होगी, बहुत सारे लोग भी हैं. नहीं, अभिषेक बात है लोग, मैं अपने आप को गिनता ही नहीं. आपकी हो गई, कितने साल हो गए सर? 1.5 साल. नहीं, आप उसमें नहीं आए. Siddharth, 3-time DTM, oil, sir,
One time.
और
One time married.
one time married. लेकिन दिल्ली ख्वाहिश इनकी है कि just opposite होता है। और सामने आयुष सर बैठे हैं, जैसे सर जडेजा है वैसे हमारे टोस्टमास्टर्स की फैक्ट्री में सर आयुष सर है। तो उनकी बहुत ख्वाहिश है कि कोई उनको भी मिल जाती। अभी तक वो बहुत जगह अपना कांटा वाटा सब फेंक चुके हैं, लेकिन वो क्या है कि होता है, लेकिन वो लगे हुए हैं, तो कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। So I am saying the same thing about Toastmasters. Come up on stage, keep the smile going, put up the effort correctly, look at your seniors and say, how can I gain out of you? It has not been an easy journey for me. And if you think it's very, very confident for people to come up here and speak, you are mistaken. I am back on stage for after about 6 years, right? And I am touching you not because you are a woman. Do you like to hold my hand?
Yes.
क्या फीलिंग आ रही है?
Your hand is cold.
जरा जोर से बताइए।
Your hand is cold.
लग रहा है किसी को कि मैं नर्वस हूँ?
No.
अरे वो पीछे वाले भाई, आपको ऐसा होगा कि फोटो बन के बोलो तो हमारे आगे होगा पीछे। हाँ, तो आपने सुना ना, हाथ ठंडा हो गया, लगे आप मैंने आपको छू दिया, चलिए सौभाग्य मेरा। लेकिन पॉइंट ऑफ द मैटर रिमेन्स दैट आपको लग रहा था कि नर्वस है,
Not turn.
नॉट एट ऑल। आपको लग रहा था इसका हाथ ठंडा होगा। आपको कभी एहसास हुआ कि इसके जूते के अंदर ही कांप रहा हूं? चलिए हंस तो दी। ये पहले करते थे हम लोग, सिद्धार्थ नहीं, हम लोग ने टोस्टमास्टर्स की जर्नी शुरू की थी नया, तो हम लोग देखते थे कौन हंसी। चलिए उसी के कारण आ जाएंगे। But I am saying that these things will always happen. That means you are a human being. You are not an android robot, which makes you an ability to learn. You are not AI programmed. So you can still learn. You can still make mistakes. You are a human being. You can come up on stage, ask questions, dealt with, feel bad, go back, fight it again, come back. You can do all of that. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the journey of I rest my case.